Setting up your briiv for the first time. Remove the packaging and find the Quick Start Guide. Here you will find QR codes to the briiv app and also the full manual for a full breakdown of briiv's operation. Next, lift briiv from the packaging. Be aware the glass will detach and this is an integral part of the design. You will find a USB cable that will attach to your regional plug. Remove the hemp bag containing the moss and make sure to remove the yellow card. Next, open the bag of moss and place it gently into briiv. You can arrange it how you like, as long as it is placed into briiv evenly across the base and around the glass, it will work effectively. On the moss itself there is a finer edge. We find this looks nicer if it's pushed to the outer edge of the glass. It doesn't need to be pushed in hard. Gently placing each piece of moss on top of each other will let the natural structure do its job. You can reuse the bag for anything you like. When it comes to plugging in briiv, use the USB cable. There is a marking showing up on this. And the USB port can be found to the rear of briiv. Once plugged in, the lights will display for the first time on the front of the unit. To control briiv's speed, just press the plus icon to increase and the minus icon to decrease. Once the illuminated dots drop all the way down, the unit will power down. The 1 hour mode can be activated by pressing it once. This will run at full speed for 1 hour, during which time the speed control functions will be disabled. To disable the 1 hour function, simply press it once more. If you have any problems or questions, feel free to get in contact with us via our website.